textbook back position here with control with the harness, with some of the things that we talked about with use of force here. But to get a good classic back position is my feet go on the inside here. I got a little bit of space. One arm's over, one's under. My head here is up against the back of her head, my opponent's head. My hand here is grabbing over here, and I'm compressing, pulling him into my chest to control. Okay? This is what's called the textbook harness position. Okay? When we talk about use of force and the pending law variations that we have, is this a control hold over the shoulder? Yes. Is it at this point right now something that would cause asphyxiation? Maybe if I'm really squeezing in real tight here, but if I'm using this as like a backpack where I'm hovering over him, I'm pretty good. But what about when I come here? What's my arm starting to float to? The side of his neck. Okay? So keeping with context of the law is, guys, I can't tell you when to use things. I can tell you what's going to be the strongest position. But we have to understand what the variances in the law that's coming is. We have to be safe. This may not be your best option unless you can justify it, okay? Because I'll show you different control methods as we move on, but I want to start with the strongest, okay? And usually when it goes to a ground fight, it's an escalated situation where we are in a threat that we are going to be harmed, that we may be able to justify. Because if he's compliant, we wouldn't be here, correct? This is for somebody that is battling us. So keeping conscious of legalities on when things go to with your technique selection. Okay, so this harness position here again, all right? Feet hooked, arm over, arm grabbing wrist, head in the back of the neck, put my chest to his back. This is where I hold, okay? With him, things here with common mistakes is I don't want to cross my ankles, okay? All right? This, if he has any idea, he can completely blow my ankles out here. Okay, so I just want to maintain what I call like hooks. Okay,
if you guys can't see, move.
Yeah, come on over here. My feet here are inside here on the insides of the side. My feet are kind of spread out. I have a little bit of space here between my hips and his butt here, and then I'm bringing him to me where I'm holding. Okay, slight compression here. The importance of the back position here is not allowing him to separate our connection here. And we'll go over control methods with this first, okay? So we're here, all right? Things that he will do is he will move side to side, okay? So here, I just disengage. I want to regain this position, so I use this hook, I pull him back, and I get here. He goes to the other side, all right? My toe goes down, I keep this hook, I pull here, bring him back. Basic control position. I'm not letting him get escape. Right here. Okay? And this is what we're going to start with. Something here where the bad guy starts moving side to side, which are two untrained fighter feet. As they move side to side, we will deal with when he tries to move his body weight on top of you. We'll deal with that, and we'll deal with other things that an untrained fighter will do. All right? But first, again, start off here. All right? No explanation here. It's just an example. Feet in. Here. Bad guy moves. Keep this position as long as I can. Remember, our objective is control.